Hi, we're at SLE Equipment, Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside of Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we'll be looking at 8.5 by 25 Deckover equipment trailer. At the front we do have our heavy duty jack, as well as the tire mount, breakaway box, and chain basket. This trailer does have tie down points and stake pockets along the side. There is pressure treated wood flooring, as well as a dovetail design with the large King Kong ramps. The ramps can be flipped up and secured with a pin lock, as well as the arm lock. This equipment trailer does have a strong I-beam frame and corrosion repair paint. There are two 7,000-pound axles on 16-inch rims and tires. This equipment trailer is a heavy-duty hauler. Once again, this is an 8.5 by 25 equipment trailer with King Kong ramps. If you are interested in this trailer or any other trailer we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.